Hey there, welcome back. So, one prompt and all devices. What if your AI-generated Playwright tests could run flawlessly across different browsers without writing a single line of code? Today, we are going to look at how Playwright MCP could help you with cross-browser, cross-device testing. Now, before we start, first, why cross-browser matters. Now, your users are not all on the Chrome browser. Firefox, Safari, or other browsers render differently. So if your tests only run in one browser, you are missing out on bugs that real users will hit. That's why cross-browser testing is not optional, it's essential. So let's jump back into our Playwright project and let's see how we can use the Playwright MCP to generate our cross-browser tests with just one single prompt. Now, the first step in this whole process is to make sure that you have installed the Playwright extension. Okay, so we'll go to extensions and here I will search for Playwright. And the first one should be the Playwright test for VS Code developed by Microsoft. It's already installed, but if you have not, then just go ahead and install this extension. Now, once this is done, we need to also install the Playwright browsers in VS Code. So we'll go to command palette, and here you can see show and run commands, or you can use the shortcuts to do this. And here we are going to say install Playwright. Okay, so either you can type it or select it. So you have to type test install Playwright. And then it will give you all the options or all the browsers which you can install. Okay, so Playwright supports Chromium, Firefox, and WebKit, which is a version of Safari. So these are all the browsers. Either you can select multiple or you can select all the browsers or just one browser. Okay, so you have to select the browsers to install, and then we can click on OK. And that should start installing the browsers on your VS Code. Once that's completed, now let's tell the MCP which browsers to use. And that we can do by updating the config.json for MCP, right? So let's close this command and let's go back here. And then let's open mcp.json. So here we are going to add the configuration for our browsers. So we can add as many browsers as we want, but as Playwright supports only 3, so I'll be going to use the default browsers here. So these are the 3 browsers. So browser equals to Chromium, browser equals to Firefox, and browser equals to WebKit. So our JSON configuration is now sorted. So now we can go back to our chat window. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the login spec.ts as the context. And then I'm going to say generate a responsive login test for all browsers. Okay, so I'm going to add this prompt. So there are a couple of files which the AI agent or the Playwright MCP has added into our project in order to run this or design this test to run on all the browsers, right? So we have got this new test for login spec, as you can see, and it's going to run on different browsers, okay? And it has also created this playwright config.ts. So you will see here that we have got different browser configurations here so that it can run on all the different browsers. And then let's allow the AI agent to actually run this particular test. So if there are any errors in the config, it is going to fix them. So we'll allow it to run. So as you can see, once the configuration file is created and the AI runs the test across all the configured browsers, right? And it was able to run it across all the configuration or all the configured browsers, including the different viewport sizes for mobile, tablet, and desktop viewports, right? And it even included the mobile browsers, as you can see here. And we can look at the report just to make sure that it has run successfully. So that we can do using this particular command. Okay, so we can allow the agent to run this command, and then we'll be able to see the report on the browser itself, right? So this is the full report from the Playwright. As you can see, it has run the test across different browsers, different viewport sizes, and different mobile devices as well, right? So everything has passed. There were around 15 tests which were run. And this is where you can make use of the Playwright MCP and the AI agent to develop your script so that it can run across all the devices. And that will complete your cross-browser testing across not only browsers, but also other devices. So coming back here, as you can see, currently it is showing the HTML report, and we can easily quit this using Control+C. So that will complete the prompt, which is currently running in the background. So it has run the test, and it has also shown us the reports. So we can also run only the Chrome tests or the mobile tests using this particular commands, which are shown on the AI agent chat. Okay, so finally, I will add all the files here. So this is the final configuration file, as you can see. Okay, and it has been configured for different devices. And it has created some other folders for Playwright report. You can see index.html, so you can directly open it from here as well. The test results are stored here, and the other packages are also right here. So that's how you can turn your Playwright MCP into a cross-browser, cross-device tool to generate your automated tests, which can run across all the devices and all the browsers. So that's all. If this video helped you, then hit the like button so that more testers can find it. And also subscribe to our channel for the next deep dive session on other AI tools.